Hi everybody, welcome back to Fbmfox. In this video we'll be discussing how to import products into Fbmfox if you just got started and you have a bunch of listings on Facebook and you want to pull them into Fbmfox. How do we do it? So really you need to do two things. You need to import your products into Fbmfox, and then number two, you need to set up the repricing settings and the supplier link. Right, so it's pretty straightforward. The first step can be accomplished by any of these sync buttons, and the second step can be accomplished by importing an Excel sheet. So we'll go over that right now. So here's an empty account. It has no information about my total products, about my suppliers, sync accuracy. It's all missing, right? So here is my Facebook profile. And here is my Chrome extension. I'm logged in. You make an account, then you log into the Chrome extension, and that's about it. So what you need to look out for is you need to look out for the sync buttons. So if you don't see them on your page, just give it a refresh and they'll kind of pop up. So you have the sync button here, you have the sync first 5 listings button here, you have the sync selected buttons here, sync your listings button here, and you have also a sync FB items to Fbmfox button right here. So that's about 5 different ways to sync. What sync will do is pull your Facebook products into Fbmfox. Now this button right here is going to open a new tab for you and pull in every single product that you have. And then you can, if you're sort of a beginner, just a few products, then you can click sync underneath each product and it'll bring in your products for you into Fbmfox. So let's try the first way, right? So the first way, we just click sync on a product and now it's done. So you should see it in Fbmfox. So yeah, you see the product in Fbmfox. The Facebook price is $279 and it's in stock, and the Facebook price here is $279. It's blurred, so you may not be able to see it, but it's done, right? And then next I can click sync again, and underneath the previous product, and now I have 2 products in here, right? The other way I could do it is, let's delete all my products again. The other way I could do it is go back to Facebook and sync my first 5 products. So just let me just do that. So now it's counting, it's synced 5 products. Now if I go in my product section, here's my 5 products. They're all synced here. So what it's doing is it's just pulling the Facebook information into Fbmfox, right? So there's plenty of different ways that you can mess with the sync here. One last way I'm going to do it, I'm going to do a full sync. I'm just going to delete all these products. So they're all gone now. And I'm going to go back to Facebook and just click on the extension and then click settings and just click sync items to Fbmfox. So once I do that, you'll see a mini tab pop up right here, and you'll see what it does. It's going to switch me over. So it just switched me over to Facebook. Now it's scrolling through all my listings. They're blurred out because these are products that I actually get sales on. And once it's done scrolling all the way down, it's going to switch me back to whatever tab I was on. So now I'm on this tab, and it's going to just go ahead and pull every single item in for me. And I can just go about my day, try out a few Fbmfox features, watch a couple of videos, and sort of just wait. We're just waiting because right now the total products are still 0. This mini tab will sort of just disappear once it's done syncing. So now it just closed out itself. And now I have all the products in here. So these are all my products, they're in here. This account only has 25, okay? And my sync accuracy is 100%, which is awesome. But now you might be sort of freaking out because your markup here is 0 and your supplier price is 0. That's not correct, right? And if you click edit on a product, your description is empty, your supplier links are missing, and there's only one picture. So how do we fix this, right? So the way to fix this is just by adding supplier links. That's the only way. So there's a couple ways to add supplier links. The first way is just by copy pasting the supplier links in here and pressing save changes. And then moving on to the next item, edit and paste the supplier link and then press save change. And now this is okay if you have a few products, but I don't really want to do this 25 times or 100 times or even 200 times, right? If I have a lot of products, and let's say I have the links in a spreadsheet and I kind of want to put that in here, right? So what we can do is we can actually, so these first two products we put in the links, right? So what we can actually do is hit this down arrow, and when we hit the down arrow, it's going to export the sheet, all of these products for us in an Excel sheet. So I just saved it, products 25 video, and I'm going to click on the Excel sheet and it's going to bring it up for me, and this is how it looks. And I'm just going to click enable editing, right? And these are my products. We have the title, we have the price, we have the images, and then we also have this field called item tag. And this field is extremely important because this basically means the supplier's link. So really what we want to do, and just follow these steps exactly, is you want to name this column to supplier link. And then just wherever your supplier links are, let's say you have them saved in a previous spreadsheet, you want to match the title and the supplier link and just paste the products. So here's my title, air mattress, portable camping folding outdoor chair, and then here I have the 5 product links, right? So for demonstration purposes, to speed this video up, I'm just going to add 5 products and change the column name from item tag to supplier link, and just save your spreadsheet and then just close out of it, and then just click import, choose file, and choose your latest sheet that you just edited, and then press save changes. So here you can see that now my markups are 0, and now if you click on the products, you'll see that the supplier links are there. If you click on any of the first 5 products, if you edit any of them, you have the supplier links. Yeah, so we have the supplier links in those products. So now the last thing you need to do is fix your markups. So all your markups are 0. A quick way of fixing this is just select all of your products and then click on edit markup or edit template. So if you have a template which has a markup within it, you can apply that markup into your Fbmfox listing. What I like doing is having a template and applying a markup. So I'll do both. So first I'll apply a markup. So if I can click on edit markup and then apply, and let's say I want like a 1.5 markup, that's 50%. This will give all my products a 1.5 markup and it will hold that. Now let's say I don't want a 1.5 markup, I actually have a template which has a markup in it. Then I can click on edit template on all of them, click apply, and then click on my template which I want. In this case it's named A, then click save changes. And it just so happens that my template has a markup of 1.4. Now on videos on what markup means, we made a video about that, but just very quickly, your markup is just your margin. So I just clicked edit on a product. Right here my margin is 40%. If I want a 35% margin, my markup is now 1.35. So depending on the margin, your markup changes. So you want to keep it consistent. And yeah, that's about it. So you guys might be saying, hey, why is my supplier price the same thing as Facebook price? You'll see right here, your price tracking isn't on. It's something that turns on in our backend. So just don't worry about it. It'll take some time, a couple hours. And once there's a check mark right here, your supplier stock will pop in, your appropriate supplier price will pop in, and now your account is ready to go. And you'll start receiving notifications about price changes, and then you'll also be able to do the automatic repricing that our software tells you that you can do. And all of those will be discussed in other videos. But this is how to import listings into Fbmfox if you are a new user. Thanks so much. See you guys in the next video. Bye.